Do you really know how variables work in Python? To declare a variable, write down the variable name and the value you want to assign to it. Variables in Python are dynamically typed, meaning the type of the variable is determined during runtime. Dynamically typed variables are easier to use and reduces clutter. On the other hand, statically typed variables help detect errors early on in the development and allows compilers to optimize for runtime. Dynamically typed variables can get really confusing. You can use type annotation to notify what type the variable is supposed to hold. You're not allowed uninitialized variables in Python. Instead, you can initialize the variable to none. When you assign a variable to be another variable that holds a primitive, you're creating a copy of it. Imagine it as a copy machine. Non-primitives such as array objects are passed as references. Imagine sharing the same grocery cart as your mom. You can put stuff in it and she can put stuff in it. In the end, it's the same grocery cart. If you want your own grocery cart, you can use copy.deepcopy to copy your own copy of the values. As for variable scope, we're going to revisit that topic after control structures and functions. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Here's a cool photo of my cat.